Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy freehand nail design. So I already painted my nails with lavender polish, and then using my peach polish I'm going to paint in an angle half of my nails. Now I want to make a really easy and simple nail design that anyone can recreate, and you can do this design with any color combo. Then for my third color, I added blue. I just thought these colors kind of look really pretty together. It's a really pretty springtime colors, and I really like the look of it, I have to say. Then using my white nail striper, I'm just going to outline the design. Usually I would use my black nail striper, but I thought the white just brought the colors together. It gives it more of a softer look than a hard look. I just thought it looked really nice together. And then I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple to recreate. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.